right now. But first I'm still doing, and it's like working out, right? Wait. And guys, young, we don't talk African, we talk English. Guys, look at it, it's working. Like, but it's still here, and we're still gonna throw more lotion and stuff like that. And look at it, guys, and it feels so nice. You can go. I'm throwing more lotion. And then she's on the front door, like this. Yeah. She's like sitting on the floor. I'm also on the floor, like. I find you. It's so much. Like, it's even going on the table. Isn't it too much?
That's gonna work because it's lotion.
It's me.
It's making more stretchy. It's more saucy.
Take. Give me a piece of that we do and see what to eat first. Where's our dog trying again? So guys, it's actually walking now, but we still have to wait until it's what's this name? Okay. Until it's come in. So guys, mine is almost working. Mine's not that much lotion anymore. And it's nice and soft and it's more stretchier, but it's still breaking, but it's fine. At least I can do slime, at least. Come in. Why am I the only one?
I'm gonna decorate mine.
Me also. But you have to give me, must give me another piece. Look at yours. Yours is so big.
Yours is more
Look at yours. Look at yours. Just give me a little piece. Like this.
Yeah.
Guys, she's like going on like. So guys, it is not gonna work out. Actually, it does look like it's working out. Like that. It's
I'm gonna
fine.
decorate mine to the last bit of sand.
But before you do that, give me like another bit.
Already?
Thank you.
Wait, do you want to use more? You see yours.
Look at mine. Let's do a circle and see which is bigger. Yours is bigger. Guys, this feels so nice. And I'm like in stretching. She's already decorating hers. I'm not gonna decorate mine now. I'm still gonna throw more lotion. Where's the
More lotion.
yeah. It has to be more soft. But not that much, guys, because first we threw so much. You just gonna take guys, and it smells good because it's men. We got men and woman one. It's in fashion. Yeah, that's enough. I also gonna throw more. Oh, you also already for. Guys, look at this, like